Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 24 June 2026. Foreign investors are aggressively selling Indian bank stocks, offloading over rupees 1,100 crore daily due to global economic pressures and portfolio shifts. This massive outflow, nearly half of all FII selling, is driven by rising US bond yields, a stronger dollar, and geopolitical risks. Despite this, domestic funds are increasing their holdings, creating a market tug-of-war with potential buying opportunities in quality private banks. India's IPO market is poised for a strong comeback in July, with over a dozen companies planning to raise approximately rupees 45,000 crore. Major offerings from SBI Funds Management, Manipal Health Enterprises, and Zepto are leading the charge. Favorable market conditions, robust domestic investor participation, and easing global uncertainties are fueling this resurgence, signaling a positive outlook for the primary market. Enforcement Directorate officials conducted searches at Rajesh Exports Bengaluru and Mumbai locations. This action follows scrutiny by market regulator SEBI over alleged financial irregularities, including inflated revenues attributed to overseas subsidiaries. SEBI has also restricted the company's CMD from trading its securities pending further investigation. The company has denied any wrongdoing, citing a potential communication gap. India's GST regime has achieved widespread acceptance, with digitization and rate adjustments hailed as major successes. Businesses now prioritize clearer interpretations, uniform audits, and faster refunds to ease working capital. The corporate sector is eager for AI-powered compliance tools and a unified taxpayer dashboard, signaling a push for more advanced, business-friendly reforms. Tata Motors is set to invest up to rupees 40,000 crore over 5 years, aiming to nearly double its passenger vehicle capacity and introduce new models. The company targets a 20% domestic market share by financial year 31, with electric and CNG vehicles driving significant growth. This ambitious plan includes expanding its EV lineup and enhancing battery technology to address adoption barriers, positioning Tata Motors for a multi-powertrain future. India's listed office REITs are poised for significant expansion, with leasable space projected to grow by 40 to 45 million square feet by 2027-28. This growth, fueled by new listings and acquisitions, coupled with strong rental income and stable occupancy, will bolster credit profiles. Despite reliance on debt for future acquisitions, leverage is expected to remain controlled, ensuring a robust sector. Banks raised more than rupees 1 trillion through certificate of deposits or CDs in the fortnight ended June 15th, the highest since the March 31st fortnight, when mobilization usually rises due to year-end funding requirements. The jump in CD issuance came as rates eased, with the maximum interest rate falling by about 20 basis points from the previous fortnight. Banks have increased their reliance on CDs at a time when the gap between credit and deposit growth has widened to more than 500 basis points. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.